All right. Welcome everyone. So this is a short video that will show you how you can actually get started with our platform. All right. So the first time you actually come, if you're using a mobile phone, this is how your screen looks like. Okay. If you're using a mobile phone, this is how your screen looks like. You can actually scroll down to see more things that we have here. Okay, this is a code editor. You can write your code here. You can select any language, write your code and run it. Okay, and these are some of the testimonials we have, and these are the courses that we have available. So first of all, you need to sign up. Okay, you need to sign up. So what you do is that you click on this menu icon, these three lines here, click on it. It would open up here. Then you click on sign up. If you click on sign up, it will take you to the sign up page. All you have to do is to put your email address, your password, and you confirm your password. So let me just create a new account. I will just say John Doe at gmail.com. All right. And my password could just be 123456 johndoe@gmail.com. 123456. So your password, this everything, anything you put here must match with the one you put in this confirm password. And once you do that, this continue button will be active. So if I click on it, you can see it says sign up was successful. So once you do this, okay, once you do this, you can click here and go to courses. All right. If you click on courses, it take you to the courses page. Now, these are the courses that we have available. Okay. So you can select any of the courses that you want. You can select any of the courses that you want. So let me assume that I'm selecting JavaScript. All right. You can select any one at all. Depending on the one you want to buy. Okay. If you click on JavaScript, HTML, CSS, any one at all. Okay. So you click on this one. It will take you to the JavaScript. First of all, before we even do this, you should go to your dashboard. All right. Before you do any more, as soon as you sign up, go to your dashboard. Okay, this is your dashboard now. All right. It is showing that zero courses in progress, zero courses completed, network. Okay, so you have not bought any course, you have not completed any course, you have not. Now, this network and wallet balance is from our referral system. If you refer your friends, all right, if your friends come here to buy our course, all right, they will be in your network and you will be credited some money if they pay for any course. Okay, so you can also make money from our system by referring your friends. So now, now you can see it says that you have not started or completed any course. If you buy any course, you are going to see them here. So I can click on this menu icon so that you go to profile. When you go to your profile, click on profile. All right. When you click on profile, you will just have to complete this form. Enter your first name. Okay. The first name is John. Okay. You save. Enter your last name. Edit your last name. The last name is Doe. Okay. You save. Okay. Enter your username. Enter your username. The username could be John Doe. Okay. And you save. You enter your phone, edit your phone number. Um, okay. Okay, so your phone number should be like this, +234 91. Okay, your phone number must be on in this format, +234 or plus anything at all. Okay, that's how your phone number should be. It should be like this. Okay. Okay, so your phone number should be like this. Then you save. Okay. Your WhatsApp number, okay, should also go with the format of +234 or plus anything at all. Okay, then you save. All right. Then you have to edit your referral. Who referred you to this our system? Okay, so once you click on edit referral, all right, once you click on edit referral, you're going to select How did you know about us? Was it from Facebook, Instagram? Is it your friend? If it is your friend, you will ask them of their username. So you can see there are a lot of usernames here. These are all of our students. Okay, there are a lot of usernames here, and this is just the don't do that just registered now. So there are a lot of usernames here. Okay, these are all our friends, our students. Okay, so now select the username of your friend who recommended you to us. So I'm going to select this one, TIT. I'm going to select this one. Okay, then I will save. So if I go on and refresh this page, everything, all right, you can see everything is here. Okay, okay, everything is here. All right, so now you can also select an image, your profile picture, um, select any profile picture. I don't know if I don't know where I have some profile pictures here, but just select some profile picture and upload it. Okay. Choose file, then you upload it. So I'm going to cancel. Now, once you have done this, you click on this menu icon again. You can go to browse for courses. Once you click on browse for courses, you can see all the courses that we also have here. You can see them here. All right, you can see them here. So basically, most of you will be selecting front-end with React development and also full stack, all right, with React Node.js. That's what basically most of you will be selecting. But anyone at all, select anyone that you're going for. Or some of you might be selecting Python, okay? So let's assume I select Python, okay? If I select Python, this is the Python page. Now, the thing is that our courses are divided into chapters. All right, we have how every course is divided into chapters, and every chapters have sessions. So you can see this is the first chapter in this course. Introduction to Python is the first chapter, and you can see that this chapter has 4 sessions, and it will take a total of 89 minutes to finish this whole chapter, the 4 sessions. So you can come here, like, rate. You can hold this button and rate. Okay, you can like, you can dislike, you can put a comment here on this chapter. So, but now let me show you how you go to other chapters. So if you click on this menu icon, these 3 lines here, the drawer would open. Then you're going to see all the chapters. Now, these are the chapters you're going to be learning in this course. You're going to be learning all this. These are the things you'll be learning in this course. So how do you go to your class? All right. Like I told you, every chapter is divided, every course is divided into chapters. So you can see that this Python for beginners is divided into chapters. Okay. So you will have to take the first. If I go on to say, let me go to the second chapter, it will tell me that the previous chapter have not been completed. It has not been completed. So I have to finish the first chapter. If not, this one will not be open for me. So click on this menu, this drop down. All right, click on this small arrow drop down. Click on it. You will see the sessions in this chapter. So this is the first session. All right. If you click on it, just click on it. It will open here. Okay, this is the first class in this Python course. So now you can see that this is the description of the class. Now this is the video. Now the beauty of having our platform and having recorded videos is this. So one of my students just chatted me this morning, said that he took the class, but he's going to rewatch it again. He's going to retake the class. Now he's retaking the class because the video is available. Imagine it is a physical class. You might not understand something that the teacher taught when you were in physical class, but that class cannot be repeated. But here, this class will always be available for you. As long as this company exists, this class will always be available for you. So now, all you have to do is to play this video, all right? This is the first class. What is Python? Play the video, all right? The video will load and play. Okay, so play it. Welcome to our new course, and this is the first chapter in Python. So I'm going to pause it. Okay, so but for you, you will watch it till the end. Make sure you watch it till the end. After watching it till the end, you will have to go down, scroll down. You have to scroll down. After watching the video, you must write a test. This is the test for this class, and this test is to ascertain if you understood what was taught in that class. If you don't pass this test, the pass mark is 7/10. If you don't pass it, we assume that you did not understand what was taught. So it's either you rewatch the video, you retake the class, or you chat us up on WhatsApp. You reach out to us for more explanation. Okay, so just click on this quick test. Oops. Sorry. I have to leave here. Sorry, I mistakenly clicked something else. Okay. I mistakenly clicked something else. So I have to go back to. Okay, so I expand this and I'll click what is Python and it takes me to the Python class. So I will watch the video, all right? After watching the video, after watching the video, you have to write a test. So you come back here, you scroll down. This is your quick test. So click on this quick test, all right? These are the questions. So just select the one that you think is the answer, all right? Select the one that you think is the answer. I'm just selecting randomly. I do not know. So after selecting the one you think is the answer, okay, you will submit. So if I click on submit now, the system is going to score me. So let's see what my score is. It says your score is 3. This is poor. You have to retake the test. All right, so I didn't pass it. So I have to retake the test. So it's either I rewatch the video to understand better, or I reach out to my personal mentor. Everybody will have their personal mentor. Everybody will have their personal coach. So you're going to be having access to your personal coach. So it's either I rewatch the video, all right, then I'll go on and retake the test. So if I pass the test, 7/10 is the pass mark. So if I pass the test, I can now go to the next session. If you don't pass the test, the system will see that you have not completed this session. And if you have not completed this session, you cannot go to the next session. Even if you click on go to next session now, look at it. It will tell you that you can't access this session because you have not completed the previous session. You must finish the previous session before you can go to the next session. That is how we designed it. We want you to understand what you learned in the previous session before you go to the next class. Okay, so you have to go back, click on go back to previous session. It brings you here. It brings you here. Make sure you watch the video. After watching the video, you write your test. Okay, so you can also write your code here. So if this is too big for you, you can just hold on this and then reduce the fonts. Okay, you can hold this, reduce the font. Okay, so if you write any code here, all right, all you have to do is when you click on run, if you're writing Python, you can select any language. Just select any language from here. Click on this Python, select any language that you want to use. So for now, you're doing JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python. Okay, so this is Python selected. So you can write your code here, and when you click on run, you scroll down to go to the output. You can see it is loading, and it says that we have an error. So our code has an error. So our code has an error. So that is how you write your code, you run it. So I'm not going to do anything here. I don't want this video to take too long. So I could have it said perhaps you forgot a comma. So my syntax is wrong here for okay. So sorry, this is not supposed this is supposed to be all right. So I have changed it to JavaScript. So if I run this code now, all right, if I run this code now, you go down here, this is it, outputted. So if you write your code here, you click on run, you scroll down, you see the output here. So, but I'm not going to go into more details about this, okay? So now this is how you do it. So if you finish this one, you can go to next session. If you also open here, you can also click on go to the next session is high. This is after what is Java Python. The next one is high level interpreted generated general purpose language. So if you click on it, you can go to the next session from here. Okay. Once you get here, to also tell you that you have not completed the previous session, go back. So another thing I want to show you is this. Even though when you're done, look at it. Every chapter has sessions. So when you finish this last one, whenever you finish this last session, understanding the Python, that's the last session for the chapter, the system will once you pass the test, the system will redirect you to the introduction to the chapter page. On the chapter page, okay, click on the chapter. On the chapter page, if you click on the title, it will bring you here. You're going to see quick tests. Every chapter has quick tests, but the reason why you're not seeing it now is because the system has indicated have found out that you have not completed the last session in this chapter. So that is why it's not showing it here. But if you have completed the last session in this chapter, you will see quick test. So you have to write the test. If you don't write the test, the system will see that you have not completed this chapter. So after passing all the tests for all the sessions in this chapter, you must write a test in this chapter. This chapter will have their test. You see quick test under here. You're not seeing it now because you have not completed the last session of this chapter. So once you complete the last session of this chapter, you're going to see the test for this chapter. You must write the test. That is like a summary of everything that you have learned in this chapter. And if you pass it, you can now go to the next chapter. If not, the next chapter will still be locked. Okay, look at it. The next chapter will be locked for you. So after, oh my God, this thing again. Okay, so after writing the chapter, after writing the test for the chapter, this session would be open. So you must once you finish write the last session test, all right, the introduction to Python, you'll be redirected to the chapter page, and on the chapter page you'll see the quick test. But in case you didn't see anything like that, just come back here. Once you finish, if you write this test, if you finish these sessions, you will see it will be marked as good. It will mark good for you. Like you have completed, you will see instead of play button, you will see it will mark good for you. So just when you click on the introduction to Python, the chapter title, it will take you to the chapter page and you will see quick test. Write the test and you'll be done with the chapter. Okay. Now let me show for people who, if you want to make payment, all right, all you have to do is to click on enroll for the 10,000 naira. Select payment method. Right now, you don't have anything in your wallet. So click on pay with Paystack. Enter the amount you want to pay for. All right. You enter the amount you want to pay for 1,000, 10,000, whatever it is. Click on pay with Paystack. It will redirect you to the Paystack page. Okay. It will redirect you here. So now this is Paystack, all right? If you pay to Paystack, Paystack will if you pay to Paystack, Paystack will remit to us. So I will select use other means. So I can use card, I can use transfer, bank, USSD, OPay, anyone that you do. Just follow the instructions that Paystack will give you. All right, once you finish paying with Paystack, you will close this browser window. Whether you're using a mobile phone or a laptop, you make sure you close the browser window that this Paystack open. Once you click in, it will redirect you to this page. It will redirect you back to the course page. And you can say, it says your payment is abandoned. Had it been I completed the payment, it will show me that my payment was successful. So this is how you make payment. So in case you're using a laptop, all right, let me show you how this whole thing works. Imagine, let's assume that you're using a laptop. This is what it looks like. Okay, so um, if you're using a laptop, okay, all you have to do is just follow the same thing that we do, but you will no longer see the menu icon. All right, you will no longer see the menu icon. Okay, so all these things will be available for you. Just follow the same format. Then, for people who will be taking something like, let me go back to dashboard. So everything that you have done, if you're using a laptop, you have to sign up. Once you sign up, you click on go to dashboard, you click on your profile, edit your profile, then once you then click on browse for courses. So you will see all the courses that are available here. So let's assume that you're selecting, front end with React. Okay, let's assume you're selecting front end with React. If you click on front end with React, it will take you to the page. Then these are just the description. This is the description of this course. So these are the courses that are available in this package. Front-end with React is a package. Full stack with Node.js is a package. Full stack with Django is a package. So they have other courses inside of them. So you have to take these courses one by one. These are single courses that we put together to make up a package. So the same way that you actually took that Python class, the same way you also do here. So once you're here, select the first one you want to start with. Let's say you select JavaScript, click on it, it will open here. Even if you're using a mobile phone, everything will go like this. So select, all right, click on what is JavaScript. The same what we did in the last one, that is the same thing you do here. Okay, that is the same thing you do here. Okay, so this is how it works. Watch the video, scroll down, write your test. Okay, so this is how it works. So in case you find anything confusing, please reach out to us. All right. Whoever sent you this video is your personal coach. Whoever sent you this video is responsible to guide you and take care of you in this program. So whoever sent you this video is going to be your counselor, is going to be your personal coach. So in case you have any difficulty, you have any question, reach out to us. Okay. So this is it. You can just go to the class. So you can also go back to the main course. If you want to make payment, click on enroll for 50,000 naira to take you to the paystack page. You do the same thing you did in the other one. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, if you have any difficulty, reach out to us. All right. Congratulations for taking this course. Congratulations for patronizing us. We really appreciate you. Thank you very much.